Hi everybody, welcome to Come and Get It Right. My name is Monica and today we are going to learn about silent letters in English. Have you ever heard about them? Oh my god, there is a bunch of words that are, complicated for us to pronounce because there are some silent letters in each of them. But today you're gonna learn 5 of them. Are you ready? Okay, so number 1, we have the word castle. Castle. What is castle? That's the place where kings and queens and princesses and princes used to live. Well, even now we have some, royalty around. So the castle is that place where if you were a king or a queen, would live. In castle, which is the silent letter? We have the silent letter T. So don't pronounce T when you say castle. Okay? All right. Number 2, we have the word island. Island. Ooh, I love islands. For example, Puerto Rico is an island. There are so many places like Japan also. Japan has many different islands. So when you say island, please don't pronounce the S. Never, never. Shh. Don't pronounce the S. Just say island. Okay, good. Number 3, we have the word sword. Sword, because I know some people who are watching us are boys or girls who like to play video games. When you play video games, there are always, these fantasy worlds and you have swords, you have weapons, right? Sword. In sword, please never pronounce the word W, okay? So never, shh, don't pronounce W. Just say sword, okay? And we are ready to battle and fight, okay? Number 4. This is my favorite word because we use it all the time, because there's always something to answer, okay? So when you say the verb answer, please don't pronounce the W. Again, it's silent. This is silent. Shh. Never pronounce the W. Just say answer. Answer. Okay? Good. Almost there. 5. We have the word half. Half. 50%, right? Half. So when you say half, please never pronounce the L. The L is silent. So just say half. Okay? So we learned 5 words, but there are many other words. So what can we learn from all this? There are many silent letters in English, but please don't worry. Don't worry. I know you can learn them, but just please be aware of the fact that there are silent letters. So kind of, observe, check it out if you are mispronouncing the words because of these silent letters. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I really enjoyed it, and I hope you will be practicing these words. You can watch this video again and again until you get it, okay? And please share it and subscribe to our YouTube channel, all our social media, TikTok, Instagram. Send us messages, maybe ideas for videos, and remember especially to keep it up, okay? Bye!